change.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball. Fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing something different. I will be posting my first ever tutorial video on YouTube. But first off, I want to start this off with shout out to my Twitch channel. I stream every day and you should go check it out. And let's get right into this. So basically my problem was I was using the Avermedia C985 capture card, and the sound when it transferred from my gaming PC to my streaming PC, it would sound stuttered. It would stutter and it sounded high pitched. So this is how it sounded like. I will be using this test song. So this is how bad it sounds.
It's me. I was wondering if after it's me.
So that's how it sounded. Didn't even sound like his own voice. I will be playing what his voice actually sounds like, but what I did to solve the problem was you right click on your sounds, go to playback devices, right click on Avermedia or whatever capture card you were using. I don't know if it works with others though, so I just know it works with what I'm using. And so basically what I did was I changed the 24-bit 44 100 hertz thinking that was the default. I thought I changed it before, so I changed it back thinking, because I started to move everything down 44 100 hertz for my stream. But so if I move it back up, this is how it actually sounds like, and it shouldn't stutter.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering.
So that's basically there is to that problem. Once more, right click sounds, go to playback devices, right click on Avermedia properties, advanced, and then change it back to 24-bit 4800 hertz. I'm pretty sure that's the default, or you could set it as 16 bits 4800 hertz. I just don't think it works with anything below it. I mean, you could test it, go through it yourself, but I found out that was the reason why I've been having these problems. Alright, so you can catch me on my stream anytime. Link is in the description. And I hope this helped some people out there. Peace.